Hello everybody, myself Kritika Das. Today we will discuss about mycorrhiza. Mycorrhiza is a Greek word. Here myco means fungi and rhiza means root. Mycorrhiza is a symbiotic association between fungi and root of higher plants like gymnosperm and angiosperm. In mycorrhizal association, plant and fungi both get benefits. Fungi gets their shelter and food and plant gets nutrients. On the basis of morphological and anatomical feature, mycorrhiza can be divided into three broad groups. They are ectomycorrhiza, endomycorrhiza and ectendomycorrhiza. In ectomycorrhiza, here the absorbing organ is entirely surrounded by a well-developed, usually compact mantle of hyphae, from which hyphae arises that pass into the organ and grow between the cells. Mostly woody plants including the birch, eucalyptus, oak, pine, etc. are examples of host plants. Fungus associated in ectomycorrhiza belongs to Basidiomycota, Ascomycota and Zygomycota. Next one is endomycorrhiza. Here fungal hyphae enters inside the root cortex and penetrate the cortical cell. In case of ectendomycorrhiza, it shows feature of both endo and ectomycorrhizas. Fungus associated in ectendomycorrhiza formation is Ascomycetes, and some common hosts are Eucalyptus, Salix, Alnus, etc. Now let's discuss about some important roles of mycorrhiza. They helps in nutrient absorption, enhance the uptake of phosphorus, nitrogen and other minerals. Mycorrhiza helps in root disease suppression, enhance tolerance to heavy metals like copper, zinc, boron, etc. Roots colonized by mycorrhiza are more highly branched compared to non-colonized plants, and also the adventitious root diameters are larger, which can provide more infection sites for pathogen. Mycorrhizal association helps in germination of orchid seeds, also have role in agriculture. Thank you.